Affinity, the day designers finally breathed easy. It began like every other chaotic Monday in the design world. Maya had 6 tabs open: Photoshop for images, Illustrator for vectors, InDesign for layout, and 3 more tools for color palettes, mockups, and exports. Her system fan roared louder than her thoughts. Deadlines were closing in. Creativity was gasping for air. Then, something happened. Her team lead dropped a link in Slack. "Try Affinity, the new design platform. Everything. One app." She almost scrolled past. Another? Game changer, she thought. But curiosity won. The moment she launched Affinity, silence fell. No switching apps. No lag. No. File not supported. No. Please update subscription. Just one unified canvas where photo editing, illustration, layout, and publishing lived in perfect harmony. She imported a PSD, layered in SVG vectors, adjusted lighting, then switched to layout view, all in seconds. Everything connected. Everything just worked. By noon, the brand project that usually took days was done. Her creative rhythm returned. Her workspace felt like flow, not friction. That's when she realized, this isn't just software. This is design reimagined. Affinity wasn't built to replace tools. It was built to liberate designers. To make creation affordable, fluid, and limitless again. Affinity One App. Infinite creation. Liberation from tool fatigue. Unity of photo, vector, and layout design. Empowerment of the modern creator. Try Affinity today.